You can download the ARCs in the viewer for free, link in the description. If you are using a SubViewport node inside of Godot, and you have enabled transparent background, then any image producing node like a Sprite2D, Text Direct, or etc. that is slightly transparent will appear darker than it should. To fix this, simply go to your Text Direct, Sprite2D, or SubViewport container node that you are using to display your SubViewport. Under Material, select Empty, select CanvasItem Material, then change the blend mode from Mix to Pre-Multiplied Alpha, and the transparency should be fixed. Now in the case the node that you are using to display the SubViewport already has a shader applied in place of its material, then inside of the shader script, underneath the shader type, simply add render mode blend pre-mul alpha. This does the exact same as before, just inside of the shader. Now you have a fix for transparency with SubViewport nodes that you can add to any of your Godot projects. And don't forget that you can check out the project files, link in the description.